Hello everyone, welcome to Nirja Education. This is your class 10th Maths, lesson number 4, Quadratic Equation. If you have not subscribed our channel yet, please do it quickly. In this session, we are going to discuss about quadratic formula. But in previous video of this chapter, we have seen how to find roots of any polynomial by completing the square method. So completing the square method we are going to use over here. So if you have not seen that video, please go through that one first. We all are knowing general form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And in completing the square method, we seen that this equation we can also write as x plus b upon 2a whole square minus b square minus 4ac upon 4a square is equal to 0. This we have derived in completing the square method. Now let's move further. I want to take this term this side of the equal to. Let's do it. X plus b upon 2a, I am writing as it is, whole square is equal to, here it is minus, if we are taking this side it will become plus. So we can write as b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. Now I want to find the value of x plus b upon 2a. Here it is x plus b upon 2a whole square. So if we want to write the value of x plus b upon 2a, this whole term we need to write into square root. B square minus 4ac upon 4a square. Let's solve it further. X plus b upon 2a is equal to, if I am taking square root of this term, denominator 4a square, it will become 2a. But we all are knowing whenever we are taking square root of any number, possibilities are 2. Either it can be plus or minus. So I am writing plus or minus. Numerator as it is in square root b square minus 4ac and square root of under root 4a square is equal to 2a. Okay, up to here it is clear. Now let's move further. I want value of x. So I am going to take this term b upon 2a also this side of equal to. Let's do it. Here it is plus. If I am taking this side it will become minus. Minus b upon 2a plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So denominator are same, so I am going to take LCM as 2a. So it will become minus b plus or minus under root b square upon 4ac upon 2a. So this is your x. And what is x over here? X is variable. So this way we can find the solution of quadratic equation by quadratic formula. This is your quadratic formula which we need to remember. It is x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac, denominator 2a. So this can be also written, there are two possibilities as per written. Either this can be plus or minus. So let's rewrite x is equal to minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Another is x is equal to minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So there are two possibilities of solution of quadratic equation by quadratic formula. Either x is equal to minus b minus under root, that means square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a, or x is equal to minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So this way you can find the solution of any quadratic equation by quadratic formula. So now let's see how to apply and how to use this quadratic formula in sum and how to find the solution by applying this method. Here it is given, the area of a rectangle plot is 528 meter square. The length of the plot, it is in meter, is one more than twice its breadth. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. As you can see here, only area of rectangle is given and they have asked us to find the length as well as breadth of given rectangle. But we are knowing one more thing. Here it is given the length of the plot is one more than twice its breadth. So if we are knowing breadth, we are able to write the length also. So let's assume that the breadth is as x. What we need to assume? We need to assume breadth of rectangle is x. So if breadth of rectangle is x, then the length of plot is 1 more than twice its breadth. 1 more than twice its breadth. Breadth is x, twice, that means 2x plus 1. So we can write length is equal to 2x plus 1. 1 more than twice its breadth. Now we are knowing area. What is the formula of area of rectangle? Area of rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth. Let's write what is the area over here. 528 is equal to length. Length is 2x plus 1. Breadth is x. Let's multiply this x. 2x square plus x, and here it is 528. So I am going to take this 528 this side, so it can be written as 2x square plus x minus 528 is equal to 0. Let's compare this quadratic equation with general form of quadratic equation. It is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So here our a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1, and c is equal to minus 528. Now just now we have derived quadratic formula, so that is what we are going to use over here. So the formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Let's put the value over here. X is equal to minus b, that means minus 1, plus or minus under root b square that means 1 square, which is 1, minus 4 into a is equal to 2, c is equal to 528 upon 2a, 2 multiplied by 2, which is 4. Okay, minus 1. If we are going to solve this, you will get answer as 4558 upon 4, and the square root of 4558 is equal to 65. So we can write minus 1 plus or minus 65 upon 4. It is x. Let's solve it further. I can write x is equal to minus 1. First we can take as minus 1 minus 65 upon 4. Minus 1 minus 65, it is minus 66 upon 4. So one value we got over here. Now let's go for next. We can also write x is equal to minus 1. Now already minus we have taken, we are going to take plus. Minus 1 plus 65 upon 4. Minus 1 plus 65, it is 64. 64 upon 4, it is 16. So x is equal to 16. So here we got two solution of given quadratic equation. One is x is equal to minus 66 upon 4 and x is equal to 16. But here they have asked us to find length and breadth of the rectangular plot. What is our breadth? X, and x here we are getting in the minus. So we all are knowing no breadth can be minus of rectangular plot. So our x is equal to 16. So this is the solution of this equation. That means here we are having the value of breadth, that is 16. So we can write what is the value breadth of rectangular plot, that is 16. From breadth we can find length also. Let's put as 16 over here. 16 to the 32 plus 1 is equal to 33 meter. So here we got breadth as 16 meter and length as 33 meter. So dear children, this way you can use quadratic formula to find solution of given quadratic equation. Here I have taken one equation which is x plus 1 upon x is equal to 3, and we need to find the solution of this given equation. But as you can see here, this is not quadratic equation, but we can convert it into that. How? Let's see. Let's multiply this given equation by x. Multiply with, okay, x into x plus 1 upon 3 is equal to 3x. Let's multiply x into x, x square plus x into 1 upon x. 1 is equal to 3x. So this can be rewrite as x square minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now this is our quadratic equation. Let's compare this quadratic equation with our standard, which is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So I got the value of a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 1. So let's find the solution of this equation by the quadratic formula. We all are knowing x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Let's put the value in this. X is equal to minus b is equal to minus 3 plus or minus under root b square minus 3 square minus 4 ac, that means 1 and 1. 2a, a is equal to 1. Let's solve it for the minus plus 3 plus or minus under root 3 square 9 minus 4 multiplied by 1 that is 4. So under root 9 minus 4, 2 multiplied by 1 2 is equal to 3 plus or minus under root 9 minus 4 is equal to 5 upon 2. So here we got two solution for given equation, which is x is equal to 3 plus under root 5 upon 2 and x is equal to 3 minus under root 5 upon 2. Here we got solution of given equation. So this way also you can apply the quadratic formula and you can find the solution of given equation. So this is all for the day. I hope you all have understood very well what is quadratic formula and how to apply that in the equation. Till my next video, keep learning with Nirja Education.